as you come through here. So we're actually on, believe it or not, the old cinder track. And if I'm right, just up here should be the old tunnel. So it's not easy to get to, as you can see. There. Opening up in front of us, hopefully you can see the northern entrance to the Ravenscar tunnel. Yawning more. It's not very encouraging. There's actually quite a lot of water coming out of here. So you've got stone giving way to brick. There's quite a lot of water coming out of there. Let's go in. I'm hoping you can see this. This is actually in the tunnel, and it's quite exemplary of the state that the tunnel's in. A lot of it you can just see that it's kind of just falling apart. Now, there's some engineering markings on the wall, so I'm guessing that there is somebody comes in here and surveys it and possibly does repairs. But as you can see, where the stone's actually just falling out of the tunnel. Bricks have fallen down from the roof. Yeah. So this is the other end of the tunnel we've just walked through. Unfortunately, the torches that we have didn't particularly show the inside of the tunnel very well. Couldn't see more than a few feet. Go back up that way. So that carries on south towards Scarborough. So the trains pass through here. Heading north towards Whitby. That's Heather. Hello. And just behind me is the station. Unfortunately, some private property in between here and the station, so we can't walk that way. Yeah, we'll walk back through the tunnel and I'll show you the station. So that's the old Ravenscar tunnel. I was hoping to show you a lot more. I actually remembered my torch this time, and unfortunately it just wasn't up to the job. It's pitch black in there. So yeah, moral of the story today is spend more than £7 on your torch from Amazon.